Welcome to RCTC Culinary Arts and Bakery Science in Ypsilanti, Michigan. We are the Cosmic Chefs, Brooklyn Rupert, Eleanor Madigan, Isis McCants, and Nia James.
In microgravity, astronauts' bodies undergo physiological change, muscle loss, bone density reduction, and altered digestion. This means they need high fiber, high protein, and low sodium meals to maintain their health on the ISS.
To meet the nutritional needs of astronauts, we created the spicy cajun fettuccine with roasted veggies and chicken.
The dish is packed with fiber, plant-based proteins, and bold flavors that counteract the dulled sense of taste astronauts experience in space. We focus on rich ingredients like black garlic, smoked eggplant to enhance depth and flavor without excessive sodium. Our handmade pasta ensures a balance of nutrients while maintaining the home-style meal in microgravity. We chose this dish because of its bold flavors, balanced textures, and creative use of ingredients. Our pasta combines fire-roasted pepper, smoky eggplant, and umami-rich mushrooms with a Cajun-inspired spice blend to create a meal that excites the palate. The addition of fresh herbs and balsamic vinegar enhances the depth of flavor, ensuring that every bite is satisfying. We carefully adapted the dish to meet NASA's nutritional standards while maintaining its rich taste. Through extensive testing, we fine-tuned the balance of fiber, protein, and sodium to ensure it meets astronauts' dietary needs. The process of developing this recipe challenged us to think critically, experiment with alternative ingredients, and refine our techniques. Ultimately, this dish not only delivers a familiar, comforting meal, but also provides astronauts with the nutrients they need to thrive in space. This dish was developed for the Johnson Space Center Food Lab through the NASA Hunch program, where students help create meals for astronauts.